Hello everyone. Today I am delighted to share how Hikvision's interactive display is applied in educational settings. Our education solution centers around the interactive display, integration education sharing device, teacher cameras, selling area microphones, education digital signage, and access control device. This creates a comprehensive IoT education solution covering the entire process before, during, and after class. First, at the classroom entrance, the education digital signage supports information display and class attendance functions. It can share class information, schedule, notification, and class photos. Students and teachers can check in and unlock the door to enter the classroom, so it also supports the access control functions. Inside the classroom, the education sharing device and teacher camera enable classroom recording. About the recording, it has economic solution and high-end solution. Economic solution only needs the camera only, and the high-end solution also needs the education sharing device. By logging into the education sharing device, teachers can seamlessly capture multiple types of content, including the lesson materials, teaching sessions, and classroom interactions, making it simple to review lessons and accumulate education materials. It's easy to start, pause, and finish the recording. Next, the teacher camera's intelligent tracking ensures that whether the teacher is lecturing or writing on the interactive display, it accurately captures close-up shots, ensuring no part of the lesson is missed. Our interactive display further enhances interactive classroom experience. The new user interface includes basic applications and Google suite of tools, featuring a multiple window mode that allows multitask to run seamlessly. Additionally, the interactive display comes with 19 built-in classroom tools, such as a spinner and a piano, enriching classroom interactivity. The whiteboard function has been fully upgraded with various background canvases suitable for different subjects. Even specified tools like basketball tactical balls. More importantly, the whiteboard connected to the Creative Commons, allowing teachers to easily access lessons, images, and videos, and import them directly into lessons. Beyond these features, we offer the Windows Spark Smart Whiteboard software powered by AI technology. For example, in math classes, teachers can write equations that AI automatically recognizes and provides solutions for, even generating functions graphs to help students understand more intuitively. It can also automatically generate quizzes to assess learning during class. Meanwhile, Windows Spark offers a wealth of 3D interactive teaching materials covering mathematics, chemistry, natural science, and more, truly realizing a diversified classroom experience. For classrooms requiring online live streaming, the latest classroom software supports sharing classroom video stream from the education sharing device to third-party conferencing software or broadcast platform. The tool also supports easy recording directly by itself. Remote students can not only hear the teacher's lecture in real time, but also join in collaboration through Windows Spark, co-creating on the same whiteboard with the teacher as if they were present. This effectively enhances digital teaching, extending from local recording to remote learning. After class, the HCP platform can compile attendance statistics. Course videos on the education sharing device can also be exported via USB for sharing educational resources.